This is Chiranjeevi. Today's topic is competitive of vectors. The problems from 35 to 48. 35th problem. The area of the triangle whose sides are 4i minus j plus k and 3i plus j minus k is options 14 by root 2, 14 root 2, 7 root 2, 7 by root 2. First we need to find A cross B. Determinant ijk 4 minus 1 1 3 1 minus 1. I of cancelling first row first column we get 1 minus 1. Minus j cancelling first row second column minus 4 minus 3. Plus k of cancelling first row third column 4 minus of minus is plus 3 equal to 7j plus 7k. So magnitude of A cross B equal to root of 0 plus 49 plus 49 equal to 7 root 2. So area of triangle with the sides are given is 1 by 2 times of magnitude A cross B equal to 7 root 2 divided by 2 equal to 7 by root 2 square units. So the option is B. Next problem. The direction cosines of the vector 3i minus 4j plus 5k are. Options are given. So first the direction cosines are L equal to 3 divided by root of 3 square plus minus 4 square plus 5 square, which is root 9 plus 16 plus 25 equal to root 50, can be taken as 5 root 2. M is minus 4 by 5 root 2. N is 5 by 5 root 2, which is 1 by root 2. So the option is B. Next problem. If vector A and vector B are unit vectors and theta is the angle between them, then magnitude A plus B equal to options 2 sin theta by 2, 2 sin theta, 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta by 2. So we take A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square is 1 square and B square is 1 square. A dot B can be taken as magnitude A into magnitude B into cos theta. So A plus B whole square equal to 2 plus 2 cos theta. So taking 2 outside, we get A plus B whole square equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta. So A plus B whole square is 2 into 1 plus cos theta formula is 2 cos square theta by 2. So A plus B whole square will become 4 cos square theta by 2. So A plus B will become 2 cos theta by 2. So the option is D. Next problem. If A and B are unit vectors and theta is the angle between them, then magnitude A minus B equal to options are 2 sin theta by 2, 2 sin theta, 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta by 2. A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So A value is 1 and B value is 1. A dot B is nothing but magnitude A into magnitude B into cos theta. So A minus B whole square is 2 minus 2 cos theta. Taking 2 outside, we get A minus B whole square is 2 times of 1 minus cos theta. A minus B whole square equal to 2 into 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. A minus B whole square is 4 sin square theta by 2. So A minus B will become 2 sin theta by 2. So the option is A. 39th one. If vector A, vector B and vector C are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, then magnitude A plus B plus C equal to 1 0 3 root 3. So A plus B plus C whole square is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2A dot B plus 2B dot C plus 2C dot A. So A square plus B square plus C square will be as it is. 2A dot B, 2B dot C, 2C dot A will become 0. So it will be 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So which is 3. So magnitude A plus B plus C equal to root 3. So the option is D. Next one. The angle between the vectors are 2i minus 2j plus k, 2i minus j minus 2k is options cos inverse 4 by 9, cos inverse 1 by 9, cos inverse 4 by 3, cos inverse 5 by 9. So cos theta is A dot B divided by magnitude A into magnitude B. So A dot B will become 2 into 2 is 4 minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 divided by magnitude A is 3 and magnitude B is 3. So which is 4 by 9. So theta is cos inverse 4 by 9. Option E. Next one, 41st. If A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square, then A and B are perpendicular, A and B are parallel, magnitude A equal to magnitude B. There is no relation between A and B. So A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So if we substitute, we will get A square plus B square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square and B square cancels, 2A dot B equal to 0. So A dot B equal to 0. So hence A and B are perpendicular. So the option is A. For the second one, let magnitude A is 3, magnitude B is root 2 by 3 and magnitude A cross B is 1. Then the angle between A and B is pi, 0, pi by 4, pi by 2 are the options. Sin theta is magnitude A cross B by magnitude A into magnitude B. See, in the given question we have A cross B magnitude, so we are taking sin theta. If it is A dot B, we can go for cos theta. So sin theta equal to 1 by 3 into root 2 by 3. 3 cancels, which is 1 by root 2. So theta is sin inverse 1 by root 2, which is option C. Next problem, if A dot B equal to minus magnitude A into magnitude B, then theta is equal to options pi, pi by 3, pi by 4, pi by 2. Given A dot B equal to minus magnitude A into magnitude B. So A dot B is magnitude A, magnitude B into cos theta equal to minus magnitude A into magnitude B. Magnitude A, magnitude B will cancel, so we get cos theta equal to minus 1. So theta will be either pi or 180. So which is option A. So next 44th, the value of A cross B cross C plus B cross C cross A plus C cross A cross B equal to option 0, 0 vector, pi by 4, pi by 2. So here if the answer is 0, you need to write 0 vector. So we have a standard result A cross B cross C plus B cross C cross A plus C cross A cross B equal to vector 0. So which is option B. Next, if the vectors, vector A is I plus 3j plus k, B is 2i minus j minus k and C is lambda I plus 7j plus 3k are coplanar, then the value of lambda is options 0, 4, 3, 2. So given A, B, C are coplanar, coplanar is box product is 0. So determinant of vector A is 1, 3, 1. Vector B is 2 minus 1 minus 1. Vector C is lambda 7, 3 equal to 0. Now simplifying, 1 of cancelling first row first column minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 of cancelling first row second column 6 plus lambda. Plus 1 of cancelling first row third column 14 minus of minus 6 plus lambda equal to 0. So if we simplify, so we get the value of lambda is 0. So which is option A. Next, if cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are direction cosines of the vector 2i plus j minus 2k, then cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to option 0, 4, 3, 1. So L is 2 by root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square, which is root of 4 plus 1 plus 4 is root 9, which is 3. So L is 2 by 3, M is 1 by 3, N is minus 2 by 3. So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. So where L is cos alpha, M is cos beta and N is cos gamma. So it will be 2 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 square plus minus 2 by 3 square. So if you take LCM, you will get it as 9 by 9, which is 1. Or you can remember, if L, M, N are direction cosines, then L square plus M square plus N square will be always equal to 1, which is a standard result. So the option is D. Next, 47th, if vector A is a unit vector and x minus A dot x plus A equal to 8, then magnitude x equal to 0, 4, 3, 1. X minus A dot x plus A equal to 8. So it will become x square minus A square equal to 8. X square equal to 8 plus A square. So magnitude A is 1, So it will become x square equal to 8 plus 1, which is 9. So magnitude x is 3. So the option is C. Now the next problem, the sine of the angle between the vectors vector A is I minus 2j plus k and vector B is 2i minus 3j plus 6k. Options pi 1 by root 3, pi by 4, pi by 2. So if sine theta is given, we have two procedure. You can go for finding cos theta from A dot B by magnitude A into magnitude B, and we can go for sine theta can be taken as root of 1 minus cos square theta. Other one, finding A cross B. Ijk, vector A is 1 minus 2 1, B is 2 minus 3 6. Now expanding the determinant, we get minus 9i plus 4j plus 1k. Finding magnitude for that, root of 81 plus 16 plus 1 is root 98. 98 can be taken as 7 root 2. Magnitude A is root 6. Magnitude B is 7. Now substituting magnitude A cross B by magnitude A into magnitude B, 7 root 2 by 7 root 6, which is 1 by root 3, which is option